FitLab PGH back with the movement tip lifestyle hack. This lifestyle hack is for the dogs. If you're out running with your dogs and you realize when it gets hilly or when you're hiking and you need a little more arm action and holding the leash is difficult, there's a hack. We use Kona leashes. You can go to our webpage. We have an affiliate code where you can get a little bit of money back. I also use just a cheap backpacking belt that comes with packs, a runner from REI or another outdoor store, and a couple of carabiners. So I put the belt around my waist and I take the carabiner, clip it to the dog's leashes, put it around my waist, say, ladies, let's go.